All counted ba yun?
Jason Olayo.
What a freaking block. And it's still our ball.
Brought to you by Kappa Pool Casino. Ondato.
Kiniyat ko na. Ayos.
From last 5 seconds on the shot clock. 3, 2.
Nice defense. Uy.
Costudo.
Oh my god. He nearly headshotted him. And it headshotted not to hell. Nice. I'm suddenly complimenting the opponent's actions. Maybe I'm becoming very sportsmanship. I don't know. I'm just saying nice after every 3-point attempt the opponent does. But it's alright. Hotdog system. Oh! What a pass! Oh my god, bro. Narang niya kasi. Defense by Custodio. Sige lang tatay, sige lang. At least trinay mo maabutan. Sige lang.
Yo, control the time.
Bangking na lang. Donato. Pumurma na ba?
Naku.
Rebound ni Donato. Pass to Jason. Donato. Rebound by Olato. Olato.
Ayos!
Costudo. Pass to Aquilitaria. It's a try.
Ano yun?
Sabra.
Ano yan? Sep, ano yan? Time out muna.
Guys, turnover! Turnover! Yung turnover natin ng point, mas marami sa turnover natin ng 1 to 3. Make it closer. 3-4 possessions of 4 turnover.
Ako point guard, dapat. Sige lang. Sakit.
Kaya 6 minutes yan, 20 lang.
Parang mahabol na sa atin ng kalaban, no? Lagi silang gumawa ng press.
Costudo.
Studio pass, sorry.
Costudo. Costudo.
Studio 3! Ayok, Studio 3! Alright! Ang galing niya mag-press, ano ba? Gago, galing nila mag-press, oh. Habol na sila. Ang galing ng tres nila eh. Sila.
Custodio. Jason. Pasto na to.
Tira tres. Oh. Uy, rebound. Hindi Custodio. It's out. Sorry.
Ines on the inbound.
Okay lang. Easy lang, easy lang. Bigay, yeah, bigay.
Tira tres. Boom! Tira tres. Pasok. Good defense. At least you tried. Sige lang. Tira tres. Tira tres. Tira naman. Second personal foul. Ano ba yan? Puro ng personal foul. Di naman to semifinals. Barely na timeline pa tong season na to eh.
Rebound for Custodio. Custodio to Jason.
Dalam tiras.
Wow, number 8.
Foul número 8. ¿Qué pasa?
Come in. It's over. We won. What happened? He hit you in the face? Yeah.
Uy, ano nangyari? Oh. Sino mga Oh. Yeah, it's for. Yeah, he needs to flex his voice. I need to review the photos. Let's see what it is. Oh. Open freaking shot. Oh. Número 10, tira 3. Nice deal. Número 10 for the drive. Studio. Nice. Oh, what a freaking boom. Bustamante.
Ines, pasto Last 1 minute.
Isang minuto na lang. Nice. Aguilera. Sige lang, sige lang. Studio.
Joaquin Tanya.
Oh, depensa ni. Uy, uy. Good.
And that's the end of the the fourth quarter. Final score, 68-56.
Panalo kami!
The winner